Here's the honey bell. There you go.
Here's the grape.
Just looks like a nice fresh orange. Just give it a try.
We say ruby red grapefruit mixed with the honey tangerine. Very sweet, very wet.
Ruby red grapefruit mixed with a tangerine. Into the Danny, May 12th, 2026, and we're here at Orange World, located on 192, exactly 5, 6, 7 minutes from Walt Disney World property. You got 192 in front of me. We're gonna go in here. This is my first time ever at Orange World. I've been to Disney, living in the Orlando area, for 3 years, and I've never walked in this place. It is a roadside attraction. I've heard some good things about it. Like and subscribe. Let's roll. Okay, here's the front of Orange World on an overcast Tuesday. We are gonna grab some fresh OJ and make our way in here. This is what's considered a roadside attraction. It's been here for many, many years, and like I said, I've never walked into this place. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out and see what they have to offer.
Honey bell.
Okay,
it's a grapefruit mixed with honey tangerine.
All right, the employee here was very nice to give me some samples. This is the honey,
The honey bells.
Honey bell
Yes,
oranges, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. Okay, here's the honey bell. There you go.
Here's the grape.
Just looks like a nice fresh orange. Just give it a try.
We say ruby red grapefruit mixed with the honey tangerine. Very sweet, very wet.
Ruby red grapefruit mixed with a tangerine. Very sweet. It's got a lot of juice. Very good.
The honey tangerine.
All right, this is a regular old navel orange. All right, we're gonna give it a try. It's a little thicker. Oh. Wow.
This is the red navel orange.
All right, and another one here. We hit the lucky day. This is a regular old, I think it was touching my hair. A regular old navel orange. Different types of oranges. First one was the best one. This one's a little more bitter. You guys know me, I really don't like too sweet, so I'm gonna go with the first one. Guys, and of course these are just regular old tangerines. Grew up eating these. There you go. There you go. All right, as we walk into Orange World here, now it is a roadside attraction, so it's gonna be a big gift store, and they sell your regular sort of Disney merch, Disney trinkets. Yeah, we'll just take a look around and see what they got. So here at Orange World, you can get 100% Florida orange juice. Orange juice, fresh, natural, $3.50 for 12 ounces. Next up, we got some fresh OJ here. Let's give it a try. Yep, word gets me. So, for me, it's fresh. You can tell they bought it fresh from Costco. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. No, it tastes very fresh. It does taste good. It's not bad price, $3.50. Not bad. You all know on this channel, I don't have to say that I keep it real and all. You know that. It's not even a got all that acid coming up on me from the OJ. 192 is an area that, from the outside, from a tourist perspective, when you see it, it doesn't look like a place that could potentially be dangerous. And I would still maintain that it is not a dangerous place, especially near the theme parks. For those that don't know, 192 literally runs from Orlando all the way to Melbourne, Florida, which is 2 hours away, from what I understand. What I will say is, if you're out here with your family, just be on the lookout. You will see some unsavory characters. And again, it's not always, like I said, when I've started this channel, travel, even if you're going 5 minutes away from where you live, Celebration, which is a beautiful town, which is a very safe area. You know, when you come out here, some of the hotels and motels can be a little bit on the cheaper side, a little bit on the dingier side. So that will attract some unsavory kind of people. But overall, try to come here in the daytime. You'll be fine. You can even come out here at night. They're open till 9 p.m. But just be aware of that, okay? Here are some of the oranges and stuff that they sell right here. You got ruby red grapefruit. You got Honeybell. So the first one that I tried here were the Honeybells. This is my favorite one. Snack bag is $10 and a 1/4 pound bushel is $25. And they even can sell you watermelons. This right here is an all varieties citrus tree. Oranges, grapefruits, lemon, and limes, and much more. $27.99 or 2 for $50. So there you go. You can buy yourself an orange tree here at Orange World. That's pretty cool. Again, here we have more. We got navel oranges. Those are okay. The honey tangerines. These actually look better than the ones you see at like Publix and stuff like that. They look way fresher and bigger, to be honest with you. But my favorite were the Honeybell. Tangelos, I'm going to take at least 3 or 4 of them back home. Oh, yeah, pretty cool. All right. And in here, here's some of the merch from Orange World. You got, for $15, you can buy an Orange World shirt. All right, that's a deep cut. You can say, hey, look, I went to Disney World and Universal, and I went to the world's largest orange. And then it becomes a giant gift store on 192. Now, if you don't know, I have quite the video lined up to talk about the gift stores on 192 that are synonymous. Some good reasons and some bad reasons, mostly bad. Here's another piece of merch from the world's largest orange sweater. And this sweater is going for, let's see here. And if you hear me constantly talking, it's because I don't want to get the copyright. I haven't got one thus far, and I'm happy about that. It's $25. Guys, if you're ever in the market for a $3 alligator pencil, come on down to Orange World and get yourself an Orange World pencil with a alligator strapped to it. You got different little knickknacks. Orange World, got an Orange World little bags you can buy here. Well, look, you know, hey, you can get yourself a nice little world's largest orange shot glass for $6. Wouldn't be a Florida gift store without having some fake prosthetic alligator heads. Gotta have the alligator merch. Listen, I bought one of these, I want to say 2 months ago, and it's been absolutely one of the best purchases I've ever made. A back scratcher. Once we make our way past the Coliseum of keychains, we find ourselves here in the marmalade section. So we have here, let's see here, we got key lime pie filling. Wow. We got here guava butter. How much are they going for? Let's see here. They are going for $10 each. Wow. We got Honeybell marmalade. That must taste good. This one right here. That's probably the one I would take. So we continue. We got orange marmalade. We got tangerine jelly. Wow. Then you got some smaller portions here. And this is going for $5. So here it is. You got orange cherry marmalade. And guys, to be perfectly honest, I have no idea what marmalade is. I'm assuming it's like a jelly, obviously. You can see, but then you got guava jelly. So what is the difference between guava and jelly? If anybody can tell me the difference in the comment section, I would really appreciate it. Look at this. Creamy, oh, I love coconut. Creamy coconut spread. Interesting. Something tells me that doesn't go on a piece of bread. All right, stop it. You guys know I like to give you a wide shot of the store. There you have it. There you go. Pretty cool. She seems upset. You come over here and you got a nice toy aisle for the kiddos. Come over here and get your toys. Shout out to Eric and Ryan, little Spider-Man stuff. There you go. Come over here. That's a cool little Spider-Man bag over there. Got little buzzes. Sometimes I wonder, you know, and again, this is just the cynic in me. Are these stores allowed to sell this stuff? Like, is it copyright infringement? You know, I really couldn't tell you. Hulk smash! Shout out to Jack. Okay, we are literally in a maze of plushes. So they got them all, guys. They got the Mickey, the Minnie, the Donald, the Ducks. They got it all. And they are selling them for $12.99. There you go. Oh, you got the 100% Florida orange juice locker. So like I said, guys, this one here's $4. This is $15 for a fresh gallon of fresh OJ. When I do the videos on the 192 gift stores, it's not going to be a positive video. A lot of these gift stores, yes, you can find stuff. Is it cheaper? Yes, but you will see the dip in quality. It's typically like they got specials here, buy one get one 50% off for the t-shirts. I'll go show some of the t-shirts now, but very generic designs, kind of stuff you find at gas stations, and it's not really going to wow you, let's just say that. And again, I'm very sympathetic to everybody's situation. I understand Disney and going to the theme parks is a very expensive vacation. So if you got to come out here to get your gifts, your gifts, then you come and do it. And you could definitely find some gems for sure. You see, you get shirts like this, like Orlando, Florida, with a castle on the back, because I guess they're trying to avoid the copyright. It's $12.99. Shirt like that in Disney will cost you $25-$30. Here you got some of for the younger kids, and then here you got the women's wall. You got Lilo and Stitch. Come over here, and yeah, it's pretty. Like I said, it's very generic. It's not gonna blow you away. And again, it's part of the journey when you come out to the theme parks in Orlando. I mean, I feel like the gift stores, aside from the fact that they're always empty, and me not understanding how they literally stay in business, it's part of the trip, right? Like, it's part of the experience to see this stuff, because they've been here for so long. So you got a little Florida Mickey, and you got to go with this one. I mean, every dad has one of these shirts, the grumpy ones. You come over here. That's pretty cool. Yep. You come over here. Here's another shot of the entire gift store that's shaped like a massive orange. Oh, there you go. Yeah, like I said, it's an overcast day. So if you're watching from another state or another country, here's a nice look at your indicator that the Florida summer has started. Rain in the afternoon. If you're coming on a Disney trip or on a theme park trip, even a convention, because believe it or not, in Orlando, the conventions are as big as the theme parks, it feels like. You can expect this kind of weather during the summer months. So think May till August, September. Okay. Somebody was yelling. Come over here. So you can get some shots of the exterior of the building. Here are some shots of the exterior of the building. And again, they got alligator jerky. They got Florida taffy and candies. They got Disney gifts. This place, if I'm not mistaken, a few years ago, actually caught on fire. And I believe Adam vlogged it. Like, he vlogged the aftermath of the fire. So, pretty cool and nice to see it up and running again. It's a 192 staple. And yeah, it's one of those fun things to do if, you know, you're bored during your vacation. Maybe you got a few hours to burn. Come over to Orange World. Grab some tasty oranges, I guess. Okay, it's rush hour here now on 192, but I wanted to read off the internet some interesting facts about Orange World. World record structure. The main building is designed to look like a massive orange and is often cited as the world's largest orange-shaped structure, standing roughly 60 feet tall. The shop is a prime example of novelty architecture, a style roadside kitsch that became popular in Florida during the mid-20th century to grab the attention of passing motorists. It definitely grabs your attention. Citrus variety. Despite the tourist shop exterior, it functions as a legitimate citrus market, selling seasonal Florida favorites like honeybells, I'm gonna get some of those now, navels, and valencias. Another major draw for visitors is the fresh squeezed orange and grapefruit juice, which is prepared on site and sold by the cup or half gallon. So that's pretty cool. They got soft serve treats. It's very photogenic for sure out on the exterior. So those are some interesting facts about Orange World. Okay guys, I'm out of here. I got 4 honeybells, 1 navel, 1 red navel. Thank you for watching. I also got another orange juice. Not a long video, but ultimately wanted to finally come out here and see this place